upper form nails, cat eye nail tutorial, stamping nails, and how apply chrome on nails are what you learn in this part. I suggest you that watch English nail tutorial playlist in my channel after watching this video. As you see, these nails are a little deformed and we try to fix it with dual forms. We choose the correct size of dual forms. The dual form should cover the side wall of the nails. It's very important. The material we use in dual form is a type of bieldergel. This type of bieldergel has a honey-like texture. Before all of this step, we prep the nail plate and apply a thin layer of base coat on nail plate and cure it in UV LED. If you want to watch all of the steps from A to Z, you can visit English nail tutorial playlist on this channel and watch my A to Z free nail tutorial videos. But in this part, I try to show you how to work with different type of nail art stuff. Apply the dual forms one by one on the nail plate and check this from different angle to make the correct coverage. For fixing the dual form correctly, we should use a mini UV LED and we place it close to the dual form, somewhere around the root of the dual form. Detach the dual forms and see the results. That's great. All parts of the nail plate are covered, and for fixing the curvature and inclination of the nail, we try to choose the correct form of upper forms and use the correct shape of nail drill E-bits to fix this deformation. We choose the oval shape for filing. We try a hand file to shape the nail into the oval form. It's turn to use the cat's eye magnetic gel polish. Magnetic gel nails are one of the most trend nail art designs. You just need a cat's eye gel polish and the magnet. It's very important to use magnet correctly for the best results. For the next step, we use a colored top coat. That's a no-wipe top coat and help me to apply the chrome powder more easily. Let's do top coat on all of the nails and get ready for beautiful nail stamping. I want to test two different colors for nail stamping. We want to see which one is more proper for blue color and which one is more beautiful. The blue nail stamping or the black nail stamping. Very important tip is to completely degrease and clean your nail stamper. If your nail stamper is greasy or dusty, the result of stamping will be affected. Apply the proper amount of stamping gel on the stamp. Use a card and then use your nail stamper on the stamp. The way that you put your stamper on the stamp is very important. In addition, the way you put the stamper on the nail plate is very important too. I think blue stamping gel is not very good, so we decide to change it and try the black stamping gel. We clean everything and start again. As you can see, the black stamping gel is more proper for blue cat eye. So the result is very beautiful, more beautiful than the previous color. And right now I'm using a chrome powder. It's better to use a compact sponge or a pad for this. Do all of these steps with me and make magic. And if you miss one step, please watch this video again and again. If you don't subscribe channel yet, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment for me and send this video for your friend.